Here's what would happen if we made Proxima Centauri b habitable. This is our closest exoplanet. It orbits a red dwarf star just over 4 light years away, and it sits in the habitable zone. Sounds promising, but don't get too excited just yet. The fastest object humanity has ever built is NASA's Parker Solar Probe, traveling at about 700,000 kilometers per hour. If it could transport humans, it would take 6,500 years to reach this rocky planet. Even if we could travel at the speed of light, we'd still need 4 years to actually get there. If we somehow managed to get that far in one piece, the first thing we'd notice is how red and dim our new sun is. Because Proxima Centauri b might be tidally locked, it probably has one side that's scorching hot and one side that's frozen solid, and thin terminator zone in between where temperatures might be close to Earth-like. Landing in that twilight would be our only shot at building a home. But the atmosphere on Proxima b is probably unbreathable and might be full of carbon dioxide instead of oxygen. The radiation is extreme, and the star can blast the planet with X-rays and UV at random. One big solar storm and anyone outside shelter is done. Once we land, we'd need to rush to build underground habitats, radiation bunkers, and oxygen systems before Proxima Centauri hits us with one of its violent flares. We'd need strict planning and rationing to get it done as fast as possible. To make Proxima b truly habitable, we'd need to slowly reshape the atmosphere over centuries, turn carbon dioxide into oxygen with giant life support factories, bury our cities under rock and regolith for shielding, and build a global network of flare alarms and safe bunkers. But even after all that, most of the planet would still be either scorching day or deadly night. Even after centuries, radiation would still affect the population, and it would take tens of thousands of more years for humans to start adapt to the environment on a cellular level. Humans would live in a thin ring of twilight, always one step away from death, because